Hello viewers, you're welcome to our channel and it's your boy Forex. First of all, I would like to say I'm very sorry because I promised you guys a lot of strategies. I'll be dropping strategies every 2 days, and due to some engagements we couldn't do that. So I'm here to redeem my promise, okay? And I'm here with a very powerful strategy that's gonna change your trading career. Seriously, it will change your trading skills. You'll be making so much money from the market using this strategy. Okay, this an amazing strategy. We've been using it lately to make money from the financial market. Okay, so we play the market makers with this strategy. So please, if you are new on our channel, kindly hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel, please. We need about 1,000 subscribers. Okay, this very level, we need about 1,000 subscribers. And once you subscribe to our channel, believe me, all our strategies that will be dropping, all the strategies that will be dropping on this channel, you'll be the first to watch, learn, and make money from the strategies. Okay, because you see, you need to learn, you need to look for different strategies on how to improve your trading, on how to make money from the markets. Okay, so you need to try different strategy to a level you get a perfect system for your trading. Okay, so on this channel, like I said before, we'll be dropping amazing contents on how to trade binary, like boom, crash, volatility, even the currency pairs. We'll be dropping some we teach you guys as well videos on how to trade the market. Okay, so there are so many things that we'll be uploading here, so you need to subscribe and make sure to keep your notification this thing on, so that wherever we drop a strategy, you'll be the first to watch and learn and make money from the strategy. Okay, so okay, first of all, let's see the settings, how this strategy, how we manipulate the market with the strategy. Let's check the settings. Okay, so we use only two indicators. Okay, we use just two indicators to achieve this. Okay, as you can see here, we are in profits already. We are in buy, we buy boom, so we are in profits already using this strategy. So this is it. With this strategy, you don't have to be afraid of the spikes in the market. Yeah, you don't have to be afraid of spikes. The spikes is your friend. Okay, because this strategy will go against the spike, comfortably go against the spike, and you make money. Okay, and not in the zoom level for this strategy is zoom 3. It has about 5 zooms, so this is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 3, zoom 3. That's the zoom level for the strategy. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, I'll show you all how it works, how we make use of this strategy. Okay, so first of all, the first indicator we pick is you have to pick is the awesome oscillator. Okay, the awesome oscillator. Okay, you click on awesome oscillator and you leave every settings on default. Then the pixel, you can choose the pixel 3. I choose 3 so that it will be bold enough for me to see what is happening. Okay, so you can pick 3. The colors should remain this unless you want to change the color. Okay, then the second indicator you need to pick, you go back again, you pick the moving average. Okay, on the moving average, you can see these are moving average. On the moving average, our period is 13. Our period is 13. Our shift is 0. Method is exponential. exponential. Method is exponential. Apply to close. Apply to close. Then 4 pixel. You can choose 4 pixel. Okay. Then the color is blue. You can choose any other color, but I choose blue. Okay. Good. Now, these are the things you need to look out before making a decision. Okay. So as you can see here, this strategy used it to go against the trend, and use it on M1, 1 minute time frame. Okay, perfectly on 1 minute time frame. You use it to trade boom and crash, boom and crash. Because of the spikes, you can go against spikes. Because why I really brought this strategy, because my viewers, my subscribers, they've been talking about how to go against spikes and how have been going against the spikes in the market. So I promised them I'll make a video for them so as to help everybody that's having the same problem, how to go against spikes in the market. Okay, so the first thing you need to look out is, when you want to trade this, you need to wait for markets to get. You need to observe this moving average. Okay, you observe the moving average. Okay, you observe the moving average. You can see you wait for the moving average to come from the upside. Okay, you see what happened here? The blue moving average came from upside, down, 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 down. The first thing, the moving average needs to cross this line, this zero here. Let me show you so you understand what I'm trying to say. The zero here, this is zero, right? Must cross this line, comfortably cross this line. You can see what happened here. Cross this line was crossed to this level. Okay, must cross to this level, to the downside. And the second thing you need to observe, the awesome oscillator should be below. As you can see, the moving average above the awesome oscillator. Then there was a curve. There was a curve, right? There was a curve. This moving average curve the awesome oscillator perfectly. And when it gets to that level, you see this awesome oscillator changing color from red to green. That shows that it's about to buy. And you see this blue moving average curving above the awesome oscillator, then you make a decision. You buy at this level. Okay, you see what happened here? You buy at this level. Sorry, yeah, we buy at this level. So if you want to calculate, if you want to count the sticks up to this level from here, yeah, we buy at this level. Yeah, from here to here, you know, we've made so much money, so much profit. Okay, so another thing is when to leave the market when using this strategy to trade. Immediately you see markets getting to this level, also to the upside, to this level also, you're out. When it gets to this level, you're out, you leave the market because it's about to spike. That shows it has overbought and it's about to spike, then you leave the market. Okay, this when you enter at this level, merely there's a curve, you enter at this level, then you leave the market at this level. Very simple. Okay, so these are the things you need to look out. You make sure all conditions are met before making this decision, before buying or selling using this strategy. Okay, first of all, moving average should go below the awesome oscillator. Okay, then there should be a curve. I repeat, moving average should break this line. First of all, this is the zero level. First of all, then move downward to this level, and it must sell below the awesome oscillator, and there is a curve here. As you can see, there's a curve here. Immediately there's a curve here, you make a decision. You buy at that level because it has oversold. This shows it has oversold, and you see this also oscillator changing color. You can see the wave changing color from red to green. Okay, that shows it's about to buy. Then you buy at that level. So when it gets to this level, you're out. You leave the market. That's very simple. Okay, you see what I said? Same thing here. Same thing here. Same thing here. Okay, you're out. If you go back, you can see the same thing here. There's a curve here. There's a curve here, right? Then you buy, get to this level, and you're out. You're out. Okay, if you move back, you see what I'm saying? You see it here? There was a cross here. You get to this level, you're out. You've made your money. So imagine you entered at this level. You're making good money, good profits to this level. The same thing here. Everywhere, everywhere. You can see the money. Even if we entered at this level, see the profits we would have made. Okay, so guys, please backtest this strategy very well and make use of it on the 1 minute time frame. Use it to go against spikes on in boom and crash. Okay, use it to make to go against boom and crash. You make so much money from it. Please always allow it to get to this level. You see this level, because before getting to this level you might have made so much profit. Okay, you can decide to leave at this level, but always wait for it to get to this level, or whenever you see the moving average crossing above the awesome oscillator, then it's about to spike, then you leave the market. Okay, if you move to another pay, still see the same thing. See the same thing. See the same thing. Okay, for example, see this. See what happened here. See what happened here. Okay, so you see what happened here. See the same thing. So whenever you see that happens, you make a decision, you make your money, It's a very strong strong strategy, guys. So backtest this strategy and make money from it. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you guys, and please subscribe, like our video, subscribe to our channel, because another strategy will be dropped in today's time. And please check the description area. I'm gonna drop my Telegram channel link there, so you can join and be making money for yourself, because we drop free signals there. Okay, thank you guys. Let's meet on our next video. Bye bye.